It's back down with us.
Yeah, we are though.
It's down there, is it?
Yeah. Over at that gate.
Right.
Oh, yeah, you've got your bag with you.
Yeah.
I was going to say, you have to pay for this, don't you?
Yeah. That's lovely.
We're going up for breakfast.
Yeah.
Look at all the clouds again. It seems as though they've had bad weather over here for a long time.
Yeah.
Poor Neil's been struggling to keep the grass cut and things, I think. These are pitches for static caravans. There's two here. One of them's occupied and, well, just one that's occupied. Oh, dog. Just one that's occupied at the moment. I can't read that notice on there. I don't know how much they are. It don't say.
Shit on it.
But you can't see her. She's in the bathroom.
I'm in the bathroom.
She's cleaning the toilet, the bowl.
No, I'm inside bowl. I'm in toilet itself. Cleaning.
Oh dear. Nice job, Pat.
Nice job. Yeah. Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, we've had a right nice morning, really. Well, more than a morning. A lovely breakfast in there. David and Tracy, they're called, who run the cafe. Really nice. We had a lovely breakfast. Proper cooked food. It's really nice to see that building being fully utilised. You know, the kitchen and the restaurant. It's really good. A great facility to have on the site. And David and Tracy are going to be running the kitchen. They live in a tag axle camper, and then when the season's ended, they're going to go. Well, I don't think they know what they're going to do, and they find that quite exciting, not knowing what you're going to do, because you spent so much of your life where it's all been planned out for you, not necessarily by you. And then to find yourself in a situation where you don't even need to know, it's a liberating experience, really. And we've had David and Bonita's company again today. We showed them in the van, let them have a look at this van. They quite like the layout. Yeah. Been a nice day. Personally, I'm not sure about what's going on the park with all these statics. Well, when I say all these statics, there's plenty of slabs down, but only a few statics on them. I don't know. I've seen it happen so many times before on these sites. They seem to want to get rid of all chores and go onto statics. I hope that don't happen with this place. because it's a nice site, and Neil looks after it, does a great job keeping it clean and tidy, and it's been hard when they've been doing these slabs. It's made a right mess of part at site, hard to keep it looking tidy. But you never know, we'll see what happens in the future. I mean, I might be a bit of a pessimist, me, but the future looks pretty dark. Yeah. So, people have got more optimism than I have to want to embark on this kind of redevelopment. I want Orbit to be like me. We know it'd ever get done. And it's amazing how many people I've met on the park who actually follow our channel. It's even David and Tracy do, unbeknown to us. Yeah, it's really nice to find people that you've never met who have been following you on the channel. It's interesting. I can hear rustling behind me. There's a little figure in the bathroom. You see? She keeps the place nice, does Pat. She likes to have a clean machine. I thought I'd just come and show you the top end for any who haven't ever seen this place before. There's the toilet block there. You don't need to see inside toilet block, dear. There's Elson over there at corner. And this is the tourer bit, the bit that, well, you know, the normal bit. The bit that we're on over the other side is where the seasonal pitches are. And this is where the touring side is. Still plenty of pitches available, which surprises me. Thought it'd be full up. Yeah. I thought I'd show you it. We were on that pitch there where that caravan is last time we came, I think. I think it might have been next one to it, I don't know. Yeah. What all that's about there. Is that here? That isn't here.